road trip to a little town in central Pennsylvania called Lititz. Lititz is in Lancaster County, and it's about 25 minutes from where we live in South Lebanon. We are going to head into one of our favorite stores. It's called Olio, and they have olive oils. And if you know me, you know I love to cook, and I need some good olive oil. So we're gonna head on in. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's good.
That's so good.
Even though I do like it. Oh, that smells good.
I like that one better.
Oh, that's better than the regular.
That's so good.
Than the
regular basil one. You know what? Let's have some dessert.
Oh,
okay. You
I'm always in
into
the
it.
mood for dessert.
So,
spiced caramel pear. Oh my gosh.
Mediterranean blend is good for steaks. We have Montreal steak seasoning.
Okay, so we are trying. What is this called?
Laconico Estates. This is from Greece.
Yes.
It's voted the #1 olive oil in Greece.
Yeah. Pretty excited to try this.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Let's do this. Let's swirl. That is very mild.
That is outstanding, but it's, as he said,
It's very mild.
Very mild. Oh, but there's some spice on the back end.
Oh, it does. Yeah.
It kicks like in the back of your throat. You get that spice.
Yeah.
That doesn't come through on your tongue. That's very interesting.
Okay, so next is the Alonso Estate.
And this is from Spain.
Yeah. This is going to be a little bolder. Thank you. All right. So we're looking for a little bit of a more intense flavor here.
Even on the nose, it's Oh, that's the one.
Oh my gosh.
That's the one for bread. Oh, yeah.
So Forbes actually did an article on the, I'm going to pronounce this incorrectly again, Laconico. Don't get me wrong, it's an awesome olive oil. If you want to cook with it, I would use that. And if you want to use an olive oil for dipping or finishing, I would use this one. You guys, all of my truffle dreams are coming true. They even have truffle butter. And truffle pesto, which we just tried. And then the red pesto with truffles, which I think was better than this one. Alright, we've got a little bit of a haul here. I think we're done. So cute. If you are in Lititz, you have to come to Olio. Open from 10 to 5. Monday through Saturday? Yeah, Monday through Saturday.
Bull's Head was named the best beer bar in America by USA Today. I think it was 2019. I need to do my research, but also the best beer bar in Pennsylvania for the years 2016 through 19.
Did you do your research?
I did my research. By hold on, I gotta look into it, the Great American Beer Bars Competition, and it was conducted by craftbeer.com. So, and like I said earlier, the best beer bar in the United States, according to USA Today. So apparently I have some good drinkers at USA Today, so they did a good job of picking this place. I got the Rusty Rail Wolf King Warrior. It's an Imperial Stout. I like stouts and porters this time of year when it starts to get colder. So, oh yeah, it's outstanding.
I have decided to try the Cascade. Hold on. The Cascade one way or another. It's an American wild ale. I don't really know what that means, but we're gonna find out. Oh, that's fun. It's a little, it reminds you a little bit like a sour. Yeah, it's really full flavored. I really like it. I think I could probably only drink one of these though. Thank goodness we have several others to choose from. They have these fries. I didn't see them on the menu this time, but they're curry fries. They're fries, they're hand cut, and they come with this side of curry sauce. They're just so good. I love them. Is it wrong to just want to drink the rest of the curry sauce?
If you want to drink it, I'll film it. The viewers would love it.
We're walking down, we've just had lunch. We are walking down the street to old building that houses some vendors. It's a little market now, and it's actually called the Wilbur Market.
Yeah, it used to be the Wilbur Chocolate Factory.
Yeah.
And it was completely gutted and turned into apartments and shops, restaurants, well, at least one restaurant and a coffee shop. So yeah, we haven't been there yet, so we're gonna go check it out.
Fun fact, Lititz was actually voted best small town in America in 2013?
Yes, 2013. It's weird, it's been 7 years already.
I know,
feel
it's
like
crazy. So, highly recommend this for a little weekend getaway if you're not from around here. So many cute shops, restaurants. Go see our man Joe at Olio.
Yes, go see Joe at Olio. Do not forget, they have really awesome olive oil, balsamics, but not just that, seasonings, steak seasonings, pastas, really cool stuff.
Finishing salts, all kinds of things. Parking is at a premium here in Lititz. Oh, scary. So, real quick, wanted to mention we have some exciting news. So we have officially launched our website, enticingmedia.com, and that's Tice, T-I-C-E, because that happens to be our last name. Check out the website. We do photographs, food photography, product photography. If you have a small business, definitely check it out. There is a link to this vlog, of course, through the website. Let us know if you need anything. We'll travel.
If you like any of the places that you saw today, Bull's Head, Olio, we're going to link them below. Below?
Yes.
They show up below? Yeah.
Yes. Love Lititz. Get here. Check it out. Like and subscribe to our channel as per usual. Thanks for watching.